Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get a meeting link, like you're meeting up in professional career or just meeting up with friends and so on in professional area. So all what you need to do is just press Google Meet, then go for the first link, and then guys please use your Google account in order to use this service. All what you need to do is just new meeting, then start an instant meeting, and there here you will just choose this microphone and camera if you are not using that, so continue without microphone and camera. So if you want to just get some permission here, all what you need to do, go there and site settings, and all what you need to do just allow and allow the camera, and there you go, you have the microphone and the camera is on, everything is working good. Here for the chat messages, if you don't have your friend or you to ask questions or to type for each other, here for the link that was in order to join with another one. So here is another meeting for joining. Here for this some application and tools in it. Here just to want to have a word to speak with the people. Here for the emotes, and here for presentation if you want to present any specific screen. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe.